Is this the chain pieces paradise? What happens when you put all these wonderful pre-cuts together? Stay tuned to find out. I sped it all up in a time lapse so you'll see this whole block come together in just a matter of minutes. And clue 2 is all done. Let's take a look at the final block. I think this one turned out really cute, and there's 8 of these. That's why I was chain stitching so much. I think it's going to turn out really, really cute. It's just going to be around the edge of the quilt, in the center, in the middle, on the ends. Who knows? We'll find out in just a few short months. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely hit the like button, tell a friend, and I always enjoy hearing comments from my viewers. I hope you all have a great day, happy sewing, and we'll see you next time.